Another successful project delivered by Alviz Electro India. We are proud to present our HVAC execution at St. George's Malabar Independent Syrian Church, Bengaluru. From precise planning and smart HVAC design to seamless execution and reliable after-service support, we create solutions that perform with excellence. This project features advanced VRF technology with high static ductable units with eyeball technology, ensuring powerful performance, energy efficiency, and superior comfort. Every duct, every detail, and every installation reflects the Alviz standard of quality and professionalism. At Alviz Electro India, we don't just complete projects. We build trust, comfort, and long-term relationships. Alviz Electro India, smarter solutions for smarter spaces.